And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Saturday evening, everyone. Wow, it was a scorcher this afternoon as high temperatures reached the triple digits in the upper valley and parts of the mid valley. We had temperatures reach the 90s, of course, in the lower valley. We've seen plenty of sunshine today and mostly clear skies early on this evening. Well, we may see some passing clouds overnight from time to time, but it is going to be warm and muggy nonetheless. Temperatures right now quite warm, upper 80s out west in Rio Grande City. We're in the mid 80s in McAllen and Edinburg, lower 80s here in Weslaco, as well as Harlingen and in Brownsville. So here's your day planner forecast for Father's Day Sunday. Mostly sunny skies for tomorrow with temperatures in the lower 80s at 8 a.m. We're up to 94 at noon, 97 at 5 p.m. And not only is it going to be hot, it's also humid and breezy. So if you're going to be outside tomorrow, please take it easy, be careful, and drink lots of water. High temperatures tomorrow right around 100 in Weslaco. We're tracking the tropics here at Channel 5. We continue to watch this tropical wave that's in the mid-Atlantic Ocean. Right now it has a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days. We expect it to continue to move toward the west-northwest, but it is still very far away from the central Caribbean Sea. So we still have lots of time to watch that tropical wave. And as expected, an area of low pressure has formed in the Bay of Honduras. It is disorganized at this time, not a depression just yet, but the Hurricane Center gives it an 80% chance of development over the next 5 days. Now, I'm going to show you two different forecast models because they disagree vehemently, very widely disagreeing on where this potential system might go. First of all, the temperatures across Texas, 87 degrees in San Antonio, 88 in Dallas, Fort Worth, and 82 in Houston. All right, back to the models. Here's the first one. This is the European forecast model, and this particular model wants to develop this potential system and take it more toward the northwest, perhaps over the Yucatan Peninsula, and maybe into the southwestern Gulf of Mexico or Bay of Campeche. So if this were to materialize, this would place a potential system by Wednesday, perhaps, maybe south of the valley as a tropical disturbance. Now, that could very well change. Let me show you the second forecast model. The second forecast model is the American GFS model, and this one disagrees greatly. This one wants to develop this disturbance, but taking more due north right through the Gulf of Mexico toward the northern Gulf and maybe making landfall by next Wednesday or so around the Florida Panhandle or southern Alabama. So you see why the models are disagreeing, and you see why there's a lot of uncertainty, I should say, between the forecast and the models. And keep in mind, they could still change for tomorrow. So the best thing to do is just keep it tuned to Channel 5. We'll have a better idea, I think, by this coming Monday where this potential system might go. Small craft advisory on the water starting 1 a.m. Sunday for the Gulf waters right through daytime hours on Sunday. Small craft should use caution on the bay waters tonight. We'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. Bay waters are choppy. Your next tide is a low tide at 3:19 in the morning on Sunday. So for tonight, we'll have some clouds from time to time. It is warm and muggy with a low temperature of only 78 degrees. Then for tomorrow, wow, 100 the high temperature. We'll have triple digits as well, not only in Weslaco, but Edinburg, McAllen, the upper valley. We'll have highs in the mid to upper 90s for the lower valley. Mostly sunny, breezy, and hot for Father's Day. So here's that 7-day forecast. Again, rain chances next week depend on where this potential disturbance might go. At this point, we're going to put in a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday and Thursday, followed by a 20% chance of some showers Friday and Saturday. In any case, it will stay hot, folks, with highs in the upper 90s Monday and Tuesday and mid 90s perhaps by Wednesday and Thursday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back with